Looking for the best natural hydration drink? Look no further than coconut water. Packed with essential electrolytes, vitamins, and minerals, coconut water is nature's very own sports drink. Whether you need a refreshing boost after a workout, relief from the summer heat, or a natural way to stay hydrated, this drink has got you covered. In today's video, we will explore the amazing health benefits of coconut water, how it helps your body, and why you should include it in your daily routine. Stay tuned till the end for some interesting facts and tips. First, we'll see the nutritional composition of the coconut water. Coconut water is packed with essential nutrients that provide numerous health benefits. Here are some of the key nutrients first we will see. First is water. About 95% of coconut water is pure natural hydration. Then comes the electrolytes, rich in potassium, sodium, magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus, making it a great natural rehydration drink. Then comes the natural sugars. It contains fructose and glucose, around 5 to 6 gram per cup, providing a mild energy boost. Then comes the vitamins. It includes vitamin C, B complex, vitamins B1, then B2, B3, B5, B6, and folates, which supports the immunity and metabolism. Then comes the amino acids. It contains or it helps with muscle repair and overall body functions. Then cytokinins, natural plant compounds with anti-aging and antioxidant properties. Then it contains enzymes which aids in digestion and metabolism. Now we will see some of the medical benefits of coconut water. Coconut water is more than just a refreshing drink. It is packed with essential nutrients that provide numerous health benefits. Now we will see some of the key medical benefits of coconut water. The first one is ultimate hydration and electrolyte balance. Naturally rich in potassium, sodium, and magnesium, it helps replenishment of loss of fluids, making it an excellent choice for dehydration, heat stroke, or post excessive recovery. Then comes the supports. It supports heart health. It helps to lower the blood pressure due to its potassium content, which counteracts the effect of sodium, may reduce the cholesterol and improve overall cardiovascular health. Next one is it aids the digestion and gut health, acts as a natural remedy for acid reflux, indigestion, and bloating. It contains fiber and bioactive enzymes that promote smooth digestion. Next one is it manages blood sugar level. Studies suggest that coconut water can help lower the blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for diabetics. It contains low natural sugars compared to other sugary drinks. Next one is it promotes kidney health. It prevents kidney stones by reducing crystals and stone formation due to its diuretic properties. It flushes out toxins and improves urinary tract infection. Next one is it boosts immunity and fights the infection. It is rich in cytokinins and antioxidants which have anti-aging and immune boosting properties. It has a mild antibacterial and antiviral effects helping the body fight the infection. Next one is it supports the weight loss. It is low in calorie and fat, making it a great alternative to sugary beverages. Then it increases the metabolism and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Next one is it reduces the hangover symptoms, helps rehydrate the body after replenish lost electrolytes after the alcohol consumption. Then detoxifies the liver and reduces the nausea. Next important is it improves the skin health and anti-aging. It hydrates the skin from within, reducing dryness and wrinkles. It contains cytokinins which have anti-aging and wound healing effect. Next one is it supports the brain and nervous system function. It helps to maintain mental clarity and reduces the stresses thanks to its electrolyte balance. It may support cognitive health and prevent neurodegenerative diseases. Now we'll see what are the drawbacks of coconut water also. Coconut water is a great natural drink, but excessive consumption can have some drawbacks. It is high in potassium, which may cause heart issues or kidney strain in sensitive individuals. People with low blood pressure should consume it cautiously as it can lower the BP further. Though it contains natural sugars, diabetics should monitor their intake. Some may experience bloating or mild diarrhea, and pack versions often have added sugars and preservatives. So, enjoy coconut water in moderation and choose fresh over the process. Now we'll see what is the conclusion or concluding part. Coconut water isn't just a refreshing drink. It is nature's gift packed with hydration, essential nutrients and countless health benefits. Whether you want to stay energized, support heart health or improve digestion, this natural elixir have got you covered. So why not make coconut water a part of your daily routine? Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and let's nature take care of you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health tips. Hit the bell icon. Thank you.